Hey everyone, I'm going to share TML technique which will help you to frame sentences. I have come across a lot of learners. They say that I'm not able to frame sentences. I'm not able to get right words at the right time. Watch the video till the end and I assure you that at the end you are going to say, yes, this was the right video for me. Well, what is T? I have come across a lot of learners, they try to translate. So T stands for think. You have to think in English. I've come across a lot of learners, they try to translate and they speak in English, which is the biggest mistake I feel any learners make. The moment you translate, is slow down your fluency and you are not able to think quickly. So try to speak in English. What is M? You must be thinking T is thinking, right? So how will I think? This is the question a lot of learners asking. How will I think in English? Now, how will you think? So for thinking, you have to follow M method. That is M, you have to make short sentences. M is like make short sentences. We try to frame complex sentences and that's where problem occurs. That's where problem comes. So what you have to do, try to frame short sentences. For example, I am going to the market. I am eating. I am writing. I like this. When you try to frame short sentences, it becomes easier. It becomes easier for you to frame sentences. So start with short sentences. Later, when you listen more, when you observe more, you can switch to complex sentences. But initially, try to frame short sentences. Now, L, listen to Simple English podcast. Listen to those creators who makes simple videos. Like if you are a beginner, don't try to follow someone who makes complex sentences and you are not able to understand. What happens, a lot of learners feel discouraged when they watch complex videos. They feel discouraged, they feel, oh, English is not my cup of tea, I can't learn English, this is not for me. So what you have to do, try to watch simple English podcast, try to watch simple English videos. That will ultimately help you a lot. What I did, I used to write my day, for framing sentences. What I did, when I used to learn English, and literally this is not that I had the environment, I also didn't have the environment, right? And now I'm at the stage where I'm helping people improving their communication skill, spoken English, right? Now how is it happening? Same method I follow. What I did, same method I followed. What I did, I used to write every day one page before sleeping, like what did I do today, and I would make wrong sentences. Literally I made a lot of wrong sentences. Now when I watch those those sentences, I laugh at it. So that's how everyone journey starts, and that's how everyone becomes fluent. If right now, if you are at a stage where you feel, no, I'm not able to, and all the time you think I'm not able to, and I'm not able to understand, I feel, rather than complaining or repeating in your mind that I'm not able to, start working on it. And what I learned over the time, that it requires patience. It is so important to have patience. Your every words, every sentences matters a lot. Even if you learn one vocabulary, one sentence in a day, one idioms, one phrase, that matters a lot. Ultimately it help you become fluent. So what you have to do, every day try to surround yourself with English content and watch, I'm repeating again, watch simple English videos. Otherwise you will feel discouraged, you will think this is not my cup of tea, I can't do it. Let me know your thoughts in comment section. What do you think? What is your views on this? So follow TML technique. T, think in English. Stop translating because it will never help you become fluent. M. Make short sentences. Make short sentences. L. Listen to simple videos. Listen to simple short stories, simple podcast. This is what you have to do. Let me know your thoughts in comment box. What do you think? One more thing, I've started Fluent and Fun podcast. If anybody wants to come on my channel, feel free to write it down in comment section. Bye.